Namaste dear viewers, you are watching Hatpuri's Kitchen Living and Gardening and I'm your host Shalu. Today we are cooking mozzarella, special kind of mozzarella for vegans, and it is, yes, gluten-free, nuts-free. I'm so excited for this. Let's start the recipe. The basic thing you need to do first is to break this block of tofu and break this into small pieces like this. Okay, this thing is done. Now this is around 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. This in. I'm making a little flavor kind of mozzarella, so adding in 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. If you want to give this mozzarella cheese a kind of a store-bought look, you can add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Adding around 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm adding olive oil, no coconut oil. I don't like coconut oil in the mozzarella. It will be around less than 1/8 cup. This is plant-based butter. Adding in around 2 tablespoons of this butter. Keeping this aside for a minute, what we are going to do is I am taking 1 teaspoon of citric acid and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix both of these together and pour in little water. See, the reaction has already started. Keep mixing this solution for a while until these bubbles are completely vanished. The next ingredient to be used for this cheese is green olives. Oh wow, I thought they are not pitted, but they are pitted. So no headache of removing the seeds from these. Simply add these olives. Some more. I will need little more. Let's add around 1 tablespoon of yeast flakes. Yeast flakes have a very intense flavor which goes similar with the cheese. So it will be great to add nutritional yeast flakes because the mozzarella will taste almost like cheese. And this is tapioca flour. This is another important ingredient for this recipe. Many of you would ask me if you could add corn flour. Corn flour can also be added, but the stretchability which tapioca offers cannot be compared to that of corn flour. So I have added this. So many of the ingredients I have added in this blender jar. Another important ingredient to be added is 1 boiled potato. But my friends, I live in Botswana, if you know it already, but I'm telling you that I'm living in Botswana and there is scarcity of potatoes here. Only few farmers are selling it, but for me it's becoming very difficult to buy a 10 kg pack of potatoes. I don't eat potatoes so much. So instead of potatoes, instead of 1 boiled potato, I am adding few French fries. Let's see. It will be okay. adding in around 6 to 10 French fries. A few more because I need a starch to make this cheese. Okay, all set. These French fries are pretty hard to blend. First you thaw the French fries, then you blend. Don't do like this.
It's been around 10 minutes and I'm continuously stirring this mixture. It's getting much more thicker and stretchable also. My friends, if you are cooking pasta, lasagna or pizza, this is the perfect consistency. It's like a liquid mozzarella you can use surely in those kind of dishes. And one thing I would like to add is there was a post on Facebook I saw. There was a brand named Miyoko liquid mozzarella. So this is the one you can use instead of buying or spending many bucks on the store-bought mozzarella.
And my friends, do not throw this away. I have added a little water in the remaining solution. I'm going to make makhani dal, so I will use this water for that dal. I will share the pictures on Instagram. Hi friends, welcome back. And it's the next morning and I'm going to use the same cheese for the breakfast. Let's bring this cheese out and let's see how it looks on a slice of bread. As you can see, the cheese looks so beautiful with the air pockets clearly visible. Let's slice this. Taking this big slice of cheese, I'm going to apply this on a slice of bread, very simple, and cook that. This just tastes like garlic bread and the flavor of olive oil. It's coming very nice. The cheese is not so much stretchable, but yes, the flavor is awesome and the texture. I do like the texture of this cheese. So see you in the next episode with another good recipe, healthy recipe. Till then, bye bye, stay safe and enjoy.